lead HR into the bigger organization called Reliance Jio. In the organizational things also you face so many the problems and the issues. What are the common things which strategically you see that how to solve the problem and the issues and how keep people satisfied and happy at work?
Look, frankly speaking, it is not a difficult job for anyone. Uh, Anyone who is in our kind of profession.
Yeah.
We are business people. Uh, Business has a vision. Business wants to achieve its objectives. One is if we understand what is that business wants to achieve, and if we can help business in achieving that by uh, say providing solutions which are people oriented. We are people
Mhm.
professionals. We understand how people get motivated, how people get demotivated, how people get excited, what is that people are looking for, and how you can make people more productive for business. So that's where we chip in by providing insights, by providing structure. So you start with defining the organization and the job design in a proper manner, and you can make a huge impact to the organization. You start
Mhm.
uh, making sure that people are um expectations are set properly and goals are set properly, and feedback is given to people. Um, you will automatically see performance of the organization going up.
Mhm.
Now, doing that um, in an organization is something which is a skill which HR people are trained on, and then through experience also we learn.
Mhm.
So that's how HR is managed.
Wonderful. Another very distinctive quality which I observed in you, many HR leaders they do for phenomenal work, but when it comes to the presentation, when it comes to the preparing for the presentation, you are amongst very few people in the industry. So maybe for the aspiring the CHROs or the HR leaders, you can share few pointers what really help you and how do you prepare yourself before you go for a presentation. It's not only the presentation on the public platform or maybe for any conference, maybe for the organizational meetings also.
Look, it is the thought which you want to convey, and it is the emotion which you want to connect. If you have these two things clear, then you can make the presentation, whatever presentation you want to make. Generally, what happens is when you want to make a presentation, there are so many points. And I used to falter on this front many a times because you are doing so much when somebody asks you what you are doing. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. People stop following you after five. And I paid a lot of money to INSEAD to learn this, that people don't understand if you are talking about more than 3 or 5 or 7 points, people stop
Yeah.
following you. So everything has to be either you say a thing or you have pointers. That these are the 3 things which are to be done. These are the 5 things which are to be done. These are the 7 things to be done. That's it. So if you are clear with your pointers, if you are clear with the message, like if you're making a presentation. So one technique my INSEAD professors taught me, whenever you are getting into a meeting or into a presentation, ask one question: what is the objective? So if you're
Mhm.
getting into a meeting for taking a decision or for getting a decision, focus on that. And if you are able to get answer to that, you can finish the meeting. So now this is a very simple thing, but at the same time, this is very powerful. You can actually finish some of the meetings within 2, 3 minutes. What is the objective of the meeting? And many a times, most of the people don't know why the meeting is called or why are we here.
Yes. Mhm.
So these simple principles uh, I have learned. through various channels. One, of course, is INSEAD, which actually changed my life significantly.
Mhm.
And after that, I started looking for these frameworks and these simple things that
Mhm.
how you pick up and how you implement.
Yeah. So our people talks a lot of the problem solving technique 5 why fishbone and that kind of the structures and the module and they put into it. But wonderful to learn that what you said, that the objective of the meeting and that one message what I would like to communicate to the audience.